But the primary function of the drug companies is to make money for their investors. And we've got to get over the illusion that their purpose is to serve our health. Their purpose is to make money.
We've talked before about Pfizer and that. What was the one drug where they had the largest settlement ever with the largest penalty ever? It was
Pfizer. It was Bextra, an arthritis drug.
And what did they do?
So I can't tell you. I know, but I can't tell you. I spent about 10 years, a little more than 10 years in litigation as an expert in the national drug cases. And when I served as an expert, I got to see all the documents. I did that in the case of Pfizer. Pfizer's behavior was, in my opinion, so outrageous that I picked up the phone and called the Department of Justice and said, I know a lot about this drug, but I can't tell you because I've signed a confidentiality agreement as an expert. So the Department of Justice and the FBI sent me a subpoena and said, you must come with your computer and tell us what they did wrong. And I did. 6 months later, I read in the newspaper that the Department of Justice had found the company had committed a felony, and they were dealt the largest fine in U.S. history, the largest criminal fine in U.S. history. So I know what happened, but I can't tell you.
You can't tell me because of the confidentiality agreement.
Yep.
Wow.
And it's even more serious because the drug companies own the data from their clinical trials. The peer reviewers and the editors of the medical journals don't get to see the data. They have to take the word of the drug companies that they've presented the data accurately and reasonably completely. And you only get to see it in litigation, 5 years later.
So the data is only held by the pharmaceutical companies. They release their analysis of the data?
Correct.
And then the peer reviewers do everything based on the analysis of the data that was released by the pharmaceutical companies.
That's correct.
That's insane.
That's insane. And docs don't understand it. They don't understand that they're getting manipulated.